Hello, traders and traderettes. This is Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine. And so good to be with you on this fabulous Friday. It's 3:26 a.m. Eastern Time, and we are trading the UK retail, the UK retail number that came out better than expected. It came out at a positive number. It's like 0.5% versus the negative number. And we had a rally. We had a little rally. Actually, we've been rallying all the way up into this one spot 3780 area, and then price dropped. We had our announcement. Price rallied up slightly, even on the good news. But then when we waited, instead of going live during the announcement and sitting through all this, what we did was kind of like wait for about an hour. The announcement came in about 2 a.m. Eastern time, and so what we did was we waited an hour for the news to basically finish. Okay, so this is kind of a new, it's a new old approach of the market called the news phase strategy. And in that news phase strategy, what we do is we wait an hour after the news and then trade the reversal. Okay, the reversal. That's what we're actually looking to do. So we had UK retail sales giving it 0.5%. Forecast called for 0.3. The previous number was negative 1.4%. So even though we had a positive move to the upside, we did not, it didn't move the needle much. I mean, we had lots of overhead resistance here. Just lower highs, we had a rising trend line here, and then, price hit the trend line. It looked like it tried to get a little bit of a bounce. But but we're looking at profit taking here. 38% retracements where I have a bunch of limit orders to take profit. We're coming up on our moving average here, our 50-period moving average, and I might start even taking some of these positions off. Let's see where we actually entered at the break of the trend line, and we entered some more at the break of the trend line, but we entered some because we're sitting here below this area, and we were here on our 1-hour chart. Our 1-hour chart was topping out. So we're just going to go ahead and maybe take some of these off. Euro sell's not doing a whole lot. I'm going to go ahead and close that one out too. Okay. Some people ask me why I open up so many positions. So I have the flexibility to take out at different points. It gives me a lot more flexibility. And in fact, I might just go ahead. So like the way my day kind of went, I traded, I got up at 6:45 or about 6 o'clock. Traded the ECB rate decision, and that was kind of a wild one where we got whipsawed back and forth, but we still were able to clear about 4,000 bucks, right? To today, just status. So, well, actually, yeah, let's do this month. Okay, too bad. Okay, so we took a beating. We got chopped up. 14 here, 10 here. We were buying and selling and getting stopped out. And finally, it started moving in our direction on the long side. We were able to capitalize on that. All right. And then so we ended up for the 2 days, for the Thursday, yesterday, ECB, and today, 26,433.40. Okay. So the lesson to be learned here is that just because you are chopped out, you gotta know how to take a loss. You gotta know how to, like, say, look, I'm not gonna be perfect, but I'm just gonna go where the market is showing me where it's gonna go, and it's gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with the flow, right? And it's setting up again, but we had an established high and established low, and then we're looking for prices to rally back up into this area of resistance here for us to reload and get short again. But I am pretty much done. Just wanted to make this video. This is I still got this position open still. So I'm gonna leave it because and I think we will. At least there's lots of congestion down here, and I think we could probably get down to the maybe 38% retracement there, but I might pick up a little bit. So we'll let one run, and we'll actually move the stop down to like give it enough space. Right. So my stop is there. So if I get stopped out, I'll make $237. However, if this thing drops to my target, I'm gonna make $3,500. So this is a risk-free trade. This is something I can go to sleep on, and either way, I'm gonna come up with money or more money. So if you're interested, if this sounds like something that you would like to learn to do, then what I want you to do is book a call. Click the link in the description and book a call to speak with myself or one of my enrollment specialists. And what we can do is find out, first of all, ask you some questions, find out what what's going on if you're trading, what do you need to improve, what are your obstacles, try to lay out a plan for you to move you forward to reach your goals. And you have the option of either doing it on your own, taking what we help you with, do it on your own, or to actually enlist our help. And if you do, there is an investment in working with us. The time that can help you make six figures, and the resources that you put aside, your time and your money to invest in your training, can help you realize your goals. So go ahead and click the link below, book a call with our team, choose a time from our calendar, and after that, we'll look forward to seeing you on the inside. I look forward to training you and helping you be my next case study. All right, this is Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine. Peace and pips. Have a great weekend.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!